product, so I thought I would show you how easy it is. You don't need Illustrator. This works in Photoshop and you can use it with any font. So if I go to here, you can see the font is just a white. It's simple here as far as there's no effect. If I go back to it, you can see the effect is being applied. So to show you I can do any font with this, I'm going to do, I'll do a white so you can see it first. I can edit this right now. I'm going to make it say, let's say, you work. So scale it down so it's a little bit smaller. Apply the same effect. You can see what it'll do to that. I'm going to change the font to something taller. We'll use our Morchin font. So now I need to scale it up again. So let's go even bigger. So now I've got this. I'm just going to put it kind of here in the center. So I save that. This is just the smart object layer. So it's going to save, and while it's saving, it's reapplying that effect back in the actual main Photoshop file. It will go there in a minute. Let's let this save. That's done. I can close this, and now you can see it did something kind of crazy there. So this font, it's not as legible. So if we were to do it again, I would probably try a different font. So I want something. I would try. We have one of our fonts called Matter. This is a You Work For Them font as well. So if I scale this down, let's try this and see what this does. Let's try this font. It's going to save again. I am on just an Intel iMac, so I'm not on a newer M2, M3, M1 type of Mac. So there's a little bit of delay there. So if I go back, now you can see it's kind of crazy. So you can do it. You would probably want to play around with different fonts. It depends on how legible you want this. But there's other settings here for the colors. Here is more like totally different one, like infrared looking style. This one's pretty cool. Do that. This one's pretty cool. And here is effects. So this was the actual thing that's applying it. I can change the background. Let me see what happens. Just so you know, if I change the background, you see, you can change the background as well, which gives you even more different effects. Gets even crazier. You can keep changing things. So that is another way to adjust the design. So yeah, so it has those few different things. So you don't need Illustrator, you don't need anything else. There's textures for if you don't want it so grainy and distressed. There's many other things you can adjust the levels. So you can do everything, but again, you don't need Illustrator. It just works in Photoshop, and it's pretty simple. That's all you got to do.